The Mazda MX-5, the pinnacle of ultra-budget driving fun. There isn't much else out there that can give you quite the same feeling for the road. It's the little sports car for the people. Lightweight, cheap, efficient and reliable, they're a perfect candidate for motorsport, be it track days, autocross or something more. But of course, not everyone sees it that way. Some people are just, well, assholes. You see, check out what this car used to look like before we got our hands on it. And, well, here she is, the finished result. The rear quarters have been painted, the thing's all straight, and it's road registered. We can drive this thing to and from the track, enjoy it during the day, thrash it around, drive it home, super reliable, and we're really happy with how this thing's turned out. And that's it for this build on our red NA6. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't seen some of the other videos on how we got the car to this point, please go and check those out. I'll have a link in the description down below for the playlist. When we bought this thing, it was completely smashed by some dirty thieves. We've cleaned it up and got it back on the road. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Now don't worry, we will have some more videos on this thing in the future when we take it to the track and pump out some lap times, but that'll be for the future. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.